If you've been tempted by the sleek look of Velvet Lane Boutique and its trendy fashion offerings, hold on before you hit that checkout button because there's more going on behind the scenes than meets the eye. VelvetLaneBoutique.com markets itself as a modern, fashion-forward online store with clothing and accessories for both men and women. And at first glance, everything looks professional, stylish, and convincing. But dig a little deeper and several red flags start to appear that make this store hard to fully trust. First off, even though the website gives the impression of being Australian-based, all products are actually shipped from China, which isn't disclosed upfront and often results in longer shipping times and surprise customs fees. Several customers have complained about receiving low-quality items that look very different from the polished photos on the site, suggesting the use of stolen or reused images from other fashion websites. On top of that, the privacy policy has a suspiciously mismatched date that doesn't align with the domain's actual age, raising serious concerns about the legitimacy of its business practices. There's also a complete lack of transparency, no business registration details, no real contact info, and no way to verify who's actually running the store. While some buyers might get what they ordered, the overall pattern suggests that Velvet Lane Boutique operates in a gray area where expectations often don't match reality. So if you're thinking about ordering, just know that you might be rolling the dice with your money.